హలో అండి, వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విధాత్రి. సో ఈరోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆర్గాన్జా శారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్. సో ఆర్గాన్జా శారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈరోజు ఫ్లోరల్ డిజిటల్ ప్రింట్స్ ఉన్నాయండి, విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ లైట్ వెయిట్ అండ్ విచ్ నీడ్స్ టు బీ మస్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ వార్డ్రోబ్. అంత మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్. సో యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ యు ఆర్. వీ విల్ షిప్ ఇట్ ఫర్ యూ happily and even the worldwide. And for orders you need to take the screenshot of this number 7396382067, and you can also note down the shipping charges. So let's begin the live one by one today. The first one is everyone's favorite color, ladies favorite color. The beautiful collections today organza, everyone's favorite, and the sari material will be very soft and lightweight such that you can wear it for a longer time. And దీనికి borders చూడొచ్చు మీరు, florals and lines borders వస్తుంది, which is running on both the sides with different sizes. And the body of the sari is having florals, digital florals. And here is the pallu, simple and elegant pallu with golden color. And for this we have got a blouse. So this is a plain blouse only. We can stitch it accordingly. We can pair up like this. Very beautiful, isn't it? We can go with the bell sleeves, and the price is 7199. So this is organza sari with kalamkari print. Very beautiful. So this is like a beautiful combination with organza. Kalamkari designs vastundi sari mottam kuda. The color is pretty. This is like a bottleneck green. And border వచ్చేసరికి మనకి మొత్తం కూడా ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ క్రాస్ లైన్స్ ప్యాటర్న్ వస్తుందండి, విచ్ ఇస్ విత్ గోల్డెన్ వీవ్ రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. సేమ్ ఈ సారీ ఆర్గాన్జా సారీస్లో పల్లు ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి ద సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్, సింపుల్ అండ్ ఎలిగెంట్. అండ్ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ అ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ డిజైన్స్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ పేర్ అప్. అండ్ దిస్ సారీ is priced at 7199. You can take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team such that they will assist you, and it will be easy for us to quickly get that saree for you only. Please block the favorite saree because we have got only one single color from each collection, and this is light grape color. And the body of the saree is having digital printed florals and two borders running on either sides, which is with cross check pattern. Very beautiful and evident. This is the pallu. Simple and classy, and మనం ఇలా సింగిల్గా కూడా ఫ్లాంట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇట్ లుక్స్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. అండ్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్, ఐ మీన్ ద సేమ్ కలర్ విత్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రింటెడ్ వన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాంబినేషన్. వీ కెన్ ఐదర్ గో విత్ స్లీవ్లెస్ ఆర్ స్లీవ్స్. అండ్ ద సారీ ప్రైస్డ్ ఎట్ 6399. So these are the Vitatri special collections and the organza sarees which are at a best affordable cost. This is one more lovely color. This is grey color with florals on it, bigger florals. Chala beautiful undi saree color combination, and it suits for all the age groups. And border lo kuda you can see the florals, cross lines and diamonds and checks. Very beautiful color saree, and two different size borders running on either sides. Very wonderful saree. And this is a pallu, simple and elegant. And this is the blouse. So this comes with a light grey color blouse. This is so beautiful, and the saree price is 6399. So beautiful collections today. All the collections are like organza with floral prints. This is one more lovely color. Hope you are loving the live session today. Take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team. This is one of the light color. It's like a peach and sandal mixed shade, and the body of the saree is having digital floral prints. Very beautiful and evident, and the border is having florals running on either sides, looking very lovely. And this is the pallu. So pallu is also beautiful, so we can hang on like this. And the blouse. So the blouse comes with the same color and with different print. So this is how we can team up, and this saree is priced at 7999. We can pair up these sarees with chokers only. It looks very pretty. So always jewels with beautiful sarees goes line in line. And this is one of the pretty color. This is grey point color, and the body of the saree is having tulip floral patterns running throughout the body, which is digital print. and the border is having florals and cross waves and lines. Very beautiful border. So manaki video la kande direct ga the design is very evident, and this is the pallu. Very beautiful and classy. And we have got the same color blouse, same running blouse, but with a different pattern. So we can team up like this, or else you can even pair up with contrast blouses. And the price is 7199. This is the Kalankari print. Indaka manam bottle neck green chusam kada. This is one more color, black color. Such a lovely color. Everyone loves this color, right? Black color. So this is also Kalankari print with golden color border, with florals and cross lines standing on either sides. Very beautiful border. It's a kind of zari work. This is the pallu with the same combination running over. And for this we have got the blouse. So the blouse is pretty with beautiful design, something like contrast. Suits very well, and we can team up with beautiful jewelries. And the price is 7199. So for orders you need to message on 73963820067. This is one more light color. This is cream color with a border, very beautiful. So ee saree meeku nachinatlaithe you have to block the saree by taking the screenshot and messaging to our team. This saree has some light pastel color florals running throughout the body, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is golden weave. And this is the pallu, same classic finish like all the remaining sarees. And we have got the blouse, the same color with black color pattern. So this is how it goes. Very beautiful saree, and this is priced at 7199. We'll move on to the next color. So this is green color andi, dark green, very beautiful saree. And the body of the saree is having bigger florals, which is red color and blue mixed shade. Chala beautiful ga vachindi. And for this we have got a border with florals and plain border, looking very beautiful. It's a organza fancy collection, so suitable for all the occasions. And this is the pallu, and we have got a blouse. So the blouse comes with different shade and design andi. So this is how it looks, and the saree price is 7199. We'll move on to the next color. This is light peach pink color combination andi, very beautiful, manchi fancy color, looking very subtle. And the body of the saree is having digital floral prints, which is light pink in color, and both the sides you can see the silver zari borders, which is with florals and lines. Very beautiful saree, suits for everyone. To block the saree, take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this is the pallu with beautiful finish. And we have got blouse with same running color. If you want, even we can try the silver color blouses as well. And this is the pair up. And the saree price is 7199. So almost all the sarees are like below 8,000 andi, which are at affordable cost. So organza sarees color, very beautiful sarees. This is violet color combination, such a lovely color. And body of the saree, you can see the evident color, which is pink. So it's like very attractive. So those are the digital prints andi running throughout the body. And you can even see the bigger border at the bottom, which has the florals and grass lines. And the other side, it's a thin border. Such a classy look. And this is the pallu with a golden finish, and the blouse. So the blouse comes with a plain, and we can go with some embroidery work pattern. And this saree is priced at 7199. We have got one more color from the Kalankari print. This is mustard oil yellow color. So you can take the screenshot if you love the saree and message to our team. We have got some color options in this. For that also you can for the raising the queries, you can just message to a team for that. And this is the border, which has the florals and evident. This is the pallu, which has the designs running over. And we have got the blouse, very beautiful blouse with the red color designs on it. So this is the pair up, and the price is 7199. Almost all the sarees are like 7199 andi. You can note down the prices. This is one of the subtle color, manchi fancy look color, light silver shade, and the body of the saree is having pretty florals which is light pink in color, and the border is having with silver weave. So silver weave combinations are always pretty, running on both the sides. So silver zari antene manaku chala classy look iche combinations andi, suits for all the occasions. And this is the pallu, the same finish, and the blouse. So the blouse comes with a running color but with different color size of designs and border. So this is how we can pair up, and this saree is priced at 7199. This is olive green, one of my favorite color because it suits for everyone. Dark color. It's not like too dark, it's like bright color, and the body of the saree is having the florals. You can see the colors are very bright and evident, and two borders running on either sides which is with different pattern. You can see the design very clearly. Such a beautiful saree. And this is the pallu, very beautiful pallu, and here's the blouse. So the blouse is also beautiful with same color with a border also. We can go with the half sleeves, and this saree is priced at 6399. This is one more lovely color. This is sandal color combination, very beautiful, big color antam kada, so that color. And the body of the saree is having the florals which is very beautiful and evident, chala running vachestundi, which is with florals and assorted. And the border is elegant with golden color designs running on both the sides, which is very pretty and beautiful. This is the pallu, and we have got a blouse which is the same running color but with a different pattern. This is how we can team up, and this saree is priced at 6399. So you can see the price range has decreased here, so you can take the note of it and take a screenshot and message to our team. This is one more lovely color. So this is like a grape shade andi manki, a black grape shade ostundi, and the body of the saree is having pink and yellow color florals running throughout the body, and two thin borders running on either sides, and you can see the florals at the center. Such a beautiful one. And this is the pallu. So pallu is also classy look, and we have got a blouse. So this is the shade, and this is the team up. Very beautiful, isn't it? And the price is 6999. This is one more beautiful color only, very very subtle color, light color. This is light green, pulp green antam kada, and the body of the saree is having the beautiful florals running throughout, which is a digital printed florals. You can see very tiny and beautiful florals, and the border, the bottom border is little bigger than the upper side. So this is how the combination goes, and this is the pallu, and we have got a blouse. So running blouse ila ostundandi. We can team up like this. Sorry, the blouse comes like this with a different pattern, and this is how we can team up. Very beautiful, isn't it? You can take the screenshot, and the price is 7199. Wow, this is one more beautiful color. This is like a metallic grey shade, very pretty and design, and color combination kuda chala rare andi. And the body has the different yellow and brown color florals, and the border is pretty with different design running throughout the border, looking very beautiful and elegant. And this is the pallu. The contrast is perfect, and the blouse. So the blouse comes with the same color only, and this is how we can team up. Very beautiful. And the saree price is 6399. So we'll see few more collections which are very pretty. Meanwhile, you can take the screenshot of this number. This is white color, such a beautiful color, suits for everyone. White antene manchi classy look combination which suits for all the occasions. And the body of the saree is having the pretty florals which is bigger in size, and two borders running on either sides only, very beautiful with florals at the center. This is the pallu with the same finish, and we have got a blouse with the same running color and a black color printed design. So this is how we can team up. and the saree is priced at 7,999. So this is dark grey color, which is very beautiful, and you can see the designs running all over, which is a tulip and rose flower designs running all over, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is gold in color. Such a beautiful color combination. Hope you loved it. You can take the screenshot and message to our team. And this is the pallu with classy look, and we have got a blouse with the same running color but with different pattern. This is how we can team up, and this saree is priced at 7,199. We'll move on to the next color. So this is like a dual shade, very beautiful, right? So dual shades are always pretty. You can see the peach color with light black shade running at the border in this body of the saree, and you can see here it's very pretty. The border is also elegant, and this is the pallu. Pallu is also grand, and the blouse. So the blouse comes with little contrast. This is how we can team up. We can go with the sleeves like this, and this saree is priced at 6,399. And that's all for today, Andy, from the collection of beautiful organza sarees which are a floral print. I hope you loved the live, and live save chestamu. Save chesaka you can go through the sarees again and take the screenshot and message to our number, which is 739-638-2067. You can just take the screenshot of this board such that you may find out for the reference in future also. And you can also visit our store, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, which is in PVP Lane, and we are open till 9 p.m. every day. And again, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, good night.